Malia and I'm back with another video. So today I will be using and reviewing finally the new Creme of Nature Clay and Charcoal collection. So the new collection, it comes with a Pre Shampoo Detoxifying Clay Mask. And then it also just comes with a shampoo and conditioner. So if you watched my P.O. Box unboxing video, in the beginning of that video I did like a little chit chat and I told you guys I have used this line already, but I used it wrong. So instead of using the pre-shampoo, shampoo, and then conditioner, I freaking used the pre-shampoo mask as like a regular mask after the conditioner. So when I realized that, I was like so mad, and I already knew if I tried to upload that video, you guys would go crazy in the comments. So I'm back to do it again. This is my hair. This is old hair from the wave formers. So this is what my hair is looking like. The roots definitely have loosened up. I know I said in that video that the gel made it hard to like, you know, separate and stuff, but it definitely loosened up. But yeah, this is what the curls are looking like. This is like, I don't even know, 4th day hair. So to be specific on what exactly is in these products, it is made with activated charcoal, rosol, and bentonite clay, and also apple cider vinegar. So I'm sure the rosol and bentonite clay, I've used bentonite clay, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll put it down below. But they're pretty much used to like really cleanse and detoxify your hair, get rid of impurities and dirt and stuff. And then apple cider vinegar also just helps really to, like, it's really good for your scalp. So I'm really excited to use these again. I'm not going to lie, I did like the products, but I want to actually get on here and show you guys and demo it for you. As far as like the smell, I can't really get my hands on what the smell is. I like the smell, but yeah, this is the mask. So we are just going to get started. The next portion of this video is going to be the review and demo, and that part will be a voiceover. I don't want to do this in real time because I tend to talk a lot, and this video will be super duper long. So yeah, the directions on the pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask, which it does say it's for all hair types. It says to, on dry hair, before shampooing, apply the mask to the hair section by section, making sure to cover the full head. Leave on up to 10 minutes, so only 10 minutes, to absorb excess oils and impurities, and then rinse with the shampoo and conditioner. So I wouldn't say my hair is extremely like dirty in my scalp, but I did use a bunch of product and gel when I was doing these wave formers, so my hair is dirty. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so I am just sectioning my hair off. So since my hair has already been stretched, I know I don't need to work in too many sections. So I'm just going to have 2 sections on each side. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, just parting and putting my hair away. Once I have my hair put away, I'm going to start with my first section, and I'm going to use the pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask. Now what I really like about this clay mask is it's already made for you. You don't have to mix anything together. If you're lazy like me or you don't want to make a mess, I feel like this is the perfect product for you. So it's nice, thick, and creamy, which I really liked, and it went on my hair really good. Like, it went on so smooth and went on very soft. I honestly was a little scared of how it would go on my hair on dry hair, because you guys know most of the time us naturals use water for everything, but it went on so good. So I did use a generous amount. I think I used maybe 3 to 4 scoops of this on each section, so I used a good amount, and it just, I don't know, I really liked it. It made my hair super duper soft, and it had a ton of slip even without using water. So I just went ahead and continued to do that all around my head, which you guys will see. And as far as like curl definition and clumpage, some of my hair strands were a bit straight, I think just because of how heavy the product was. And then a lot of my hair actually curled up really nice. So I'm just going to use this all around my head, and then we will jump to the shower scene where I actually rinse it out and show you the shampoo and conditioner. Alright, so it honestly did not take me long at all to get this applied to my entire head. Like, I feel like it took me literally 10 minutes, which is really fast for me to apply anything to my head. So I did add just one more big scoop to both sides, and yeah, even though it took me 10 minutes to apply, I still am going to let it sit for 10 minutes like it says on the directions, and then I will get in the shower and start to rinse it out. But yeah, I really liked how this went on, you guys. Right, time to wash this out. Well, I'm gonna take my horse to your town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Ride till I can't no more. Alright, so the first step before I actually use a shampoo is to get rid of this clay mask off of my hair. So I just obviously stood underneath the running water and just let the clay mask come out, and it was really easy for this mask to come out of my hair. I didn't have any problems with it at all, and I don't know, I think it's just because of the formula. It's not like your typical Aztec Indian healing clay, which gets really hard and dry, and you know, you just have to know if you've used it before, but it's totally different. So you don't have to worry about this being stuck in your hair, or at least it wasn't stuck in mine. So when I was rinsing it, I was so shocked by my freaking results. Like, do you see this definition? All I have done is rinse out this clay mask. So I was definitely impressed with this clay mask. Just based off of how defined my curls look. Like, I feel like it brought my curls back to life. So yeah, I rinsed that out, and then now I'm going to use the Soften and Moisture Replenish shampoo. And the shampoo and the conditioner have activated charcoal, rosol, and bentonite clay, and it also has aloe vera juice, and this is sulfate, mineral oil, and petroleum free. So I love all of Creme Nature shampoos. Like, I don't know, I haven't used one that is bad on my hair, so this is just another one of their shampoos that I love. It was super thick and creamy. It had a nice lather. It was super duper moisturizing, had amazing slip, and it made my hair feel really clean without any, strippage of my hair. So highly recommend you guys to try this shampoo. Just make my hair feel so good. Kind of like I had a conditioner in my hair, but it was really a shampoo. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. It was just very moisturizing. And then once I rinsed it, my hair was left nice and clean as well, and just ready to be conditioned with their Soften and Moisture Replenish conditioner. And this is petroleum and mineral oil free. So the conditioner is also a nice creamy, slightly thick consistency as well. So the conditioner was just another good addition to this collection. I really liked it. Like I said, it was a bit thick as well, and super creamy, so it made detangling a breeze. I was able to easily finger detangle my hair, and it just made it feel very nice and soft. So I really like the conditioner. It does say to apply, and I think let it sit for like 5 minutes before you rinse, which is what I did. So I just put my hair in 2 little ponytails, showered, and then I rinsed it out, and I was left with amazing results. So I definitely was impressed with this line. I loved the Pre Shampoo Clay Mask, and I also really loved the shampoo and conditioner. So these products are available in Walmart's, and I'm 100% sure that beauty supplies have them already, so get your hands on them. They're affordable, only $5. This video is not sponsored. These are my own thoughts. I wasn't paid to do this, so yeah, let me know what you guys think about this line. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.